Introduction to flowchart. Flowchart. Flowchart is a diagram that depicts the flow of control of a program. They serve as a planning tool before writing code. It shows that logical order of operations using symbols connected by arrows. Importance of flowchart. Clarity. Breaks down of complex logic into simple steps. Planning. Helps organize program logic before coding. Communication. Non-programmers can also understand program flow. Debugging. Easier to find errors by tracing steps. Documentation. Acts as a permanent record of program logic. 4 basic flowchart symbols. Notice there are 4 types of symbols in this flowchart: oval, parallelogram, rectangle, arrow. Each symbol represents a different type of operation. Here's an example of simple flowchart of adding 2 numbers. Oval marks the start of or end of the program. Rectangle represents an action or instruction like calculating or assigning a value. Parallelogram represents data input from the user or output to the screen. Arrow shows the direction of flow. Here are the other symbols. Examples. Example number 1. Getting the average of 3 numbers. Start, input first number, input second number, input third number, average, display average, end. The flowchart describes a straightforward process for computing the average of 3 numbers. The program starts by prompting the user to input 3 distinct numerical values. After receiving these inputs, it calculates the average by adding the 3 numbers together, dividing the sum by 3. Finally, the program represents the computed average to the user before concluding its execution. Example number 2. Even or odd program. Start, input a number, check, is number divisible by 2? If yes, print even, if no, print odd, and then end. Suppose we want to design a program that checks whether a number is even or odd. We begin with the start symbol, then we input a number from the user. Next comes addition. Is the number divisible by 2? If yes, the program outputs even. If not, it outputs odd. Finally, we end the program. 6 best practices for flowcharts. Keep the design simple and readable. Always use standard symbols. Flow and direction should be consistent. Label decisions clearly. Use connectors instead of crossing lines. Don't overcrowd one chart. Split into smaller ones if needed. That's all. Hope you learned something from us. Thank you.